guys! Today on Cross-Eyed Garage, we'll be testing the Bestarc 5th generation arc tip plasma cutter. There's a link in the description to Bestarc products on Amazon. This plasma cutter comes in right around $200. In the box, you have everything you need to get started: air hose, grounding clamp, (240 volt to 120 volt) adapter, extra consumables, and of course the AG60 torch. On the back of the machine, you have a built-in air separator that is protected by a metal housing. You will also find the on-off switch on the back. Simply plug in your air hose and turn on the machine to get started. On the 5th generation, you'll find a full digital display, making it easy to dial in your parameters to your exact specifications. The amp ramp when running 240 volts is 15 minimum and 50 maximum. For today's demonstration, we will set it to 50 amps. To set the air pressure, simply pull the knob to unlock the dial and turn to increase or decrease to reach your desired air pressure. For today's demonstration, we will start at around 60 psi. First, we will plug in the ground clamp. There's a slotted opening on all the connections to ensure they will not come loose during use or storage. Next, we will plug in the trigger cable, and finally the torch itself. I'm grounding to my table so I can quickly switch between materials during this video. Pressing the air button once will bring up the screen for your post-flow time. As you can see, it is factory set to 3 seconds. I like to run mine at 8 seconds to help prolong the life of the consumables. We are starting with a piece of 16 gauge sheet material. Notice how I start the tip at a 45-degree angle to engage the arc. I will then move it to a complete horizontal position as I begin to cut. This will help you prolong the life of the consumables as well. Next, we'll be cutting a piece of 1/4 inch steel. You'll notice there's a bit of slag left over on one piece. This, however, can be simply removed with a chipping hammer or a pair of pliers. Now we will attempt to cut a piece of 3/8 inch steel. This I've found is the limit for the machine. Again, there is quite a bit of slag left over, but as you can see, it's easily removed with a chipping hammer. hope this video helped you in making a decision on the purchase of a Bestarc plasma cutter. There's a link in the description to Bestarc on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year!